Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in Houston, Texas, in the famous Third Ward community, which is a very historic community close to downtown and the medical center. Now this home that we are viewing is built by Zoom Homes. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, a little over 1,800 square feet. And get this, the best thing about this home, that this home is less than $350,000. So if you are on a tighter budget, but you want to live in the Houston area, not in the suburbs, then this might be the perfect home for you. This home is going to be zoned to Whitby Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other affordable homes in the Houston area, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer that question for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.